Hello, dear people. Hope that all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm also well and Ramadan Mubarak. This is the inner picture inside our mass, and this is my room. This is my reading room. You can say bedroom, my books, my table, and I am going to Utpal's room. Open the light. Hello, Paul. What are you doing, bro?
I'm Taro. Okay.
This is Utpal, my younger brother. This is Utpal's room. He is cleaning his room. This is absolutely very good job. In the future, you can be a good sweeper man. Best wishes to you. How can you lock your door? I would never come in front of your door again, man. Okay? So here now, Imran. This is Imran's room. Please open the door, bro. Please open the door. I am waiting outside your room. You should open because I'm a senior. Don't try to disrespect your senior, okay? Bro, I'm requesting you open the door, please. Here, Utpal is cooking. And as this is Ramadan month, we are in fast. But, wow, very nice. Utpal is cooking khichuri. In the Bengali, this is called khichuri. Very tasty food in Bangladesh. This is Imran. He is cleaning his room also. Very good guy. This is our table. Here he reads. He is the admission candidate. I will request all of you to pray for him because his dream is Dhaka University. So what are you doing, bro? What are you doing?
I'm cleaning my room.
Wow, it's a very good job.
Thank you.
In the future, do you have any plan with such cleaning process in the life? He didn't has any plan in future with such cleaning task because he has a great dream. He has a big dream for public university. So I pray for him. And the other side, there are someone, but they want to work outside. Okay. So talk to you later. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Tata.